Okay guys, so let's plan this out. You've already seen it done the other way, and if that way makes sense to you, please feel free to use it. So I've written out a few equations, I've written out my units, I've written out I went to the periodic table and found the molar mass of silver because it asked me to find what is the mass of silver. So there's the molar mass. And then silver is a +1 ion, only has one oxidation state. Otherwise, they would have to tell you. And it takes 1 electron to reduce it to this. So I'm going to start and kind of plan out my units. I want to come out here in grams of Ag. So I know that I must have this molar mass last, 107.87 grams Ag for 1 mole of Ag. And then from this equation, I know for every 1 mole of Ag, it takes 1 electron. And so now I'm in electrons. So now I'm looking at this because this is 1 mole of electrons. So now I could put my 1 mole of electrons here and my 96,485 coulombs here. And then in the problem, it tells me I'm using a certain number of amps, which an amp is a coulomb per second. So I want the coulombs to cancel. So it'd be 10.23 coulombs for 1 second. And then I know a time here is exactly 1 hour. So I know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour, and I'm going exactly 1 hour. And I would probably put that as 1.000. They don't tell you how long you're going. But now if I look at this, I've worked my way backwards from what I wanted all the way back to everything they gave me in the problem. So double checking my units, hours cancel, minutes cancel, seconds cancel, coulombs cancel, moles of electrons cancel, moles of silver cancel, and I'm out in my answer. So now when I'm doing my calculation, I would start with 1 and then times 60 times 60 times 10.23 divide by 96,485. 1 and 1, I don't have to do anything, and then times 107.87 equals, and yes, I got basically the same answer they did. 41.17 grams of silver would be deposited. So that's the first video. If you don't like having it done this way, feel free to use the book. I just like to make those units cancel. It makes it easier for me. Okay, so again, this was when we were going to figure out the mass, and that's one of the 2 questions. The next video will be how to get to the time required. Thanks for watching.